the zincs. A good zinc will not break apart. If it breaks off because you're beating on it, that means it's ash and the zinc is not burning or doing its job. And honestly, I don't know why there is a micro thin collar zinc on this boat. There's already a zinc protecting the shaft. I'm going to contact the owner about that. I believe we'll be able to pull that off. I think that that's just going to wear the cutlass bearing out prematurely and cost the boat performance. Let's take another look.